Introduction to RollFormingMachine. RollFormingMachine is a device that continuously bends and deforms metal sheets, streaks, etc. through multiple sets of rollers to make them into specific cross-sectional shapes such as profiles, types, special-shaped materials, etc. Core advantages: efficient and continuous processing. Through the orderly rotation of the roller group, the material can be automatically and continuously formed, with high production efficiency and suitable for mass production. Stable precision: the roller mold has high precision, and the material is evenly stretched during the forming process, which can ensure the consistency of the workpiece size and shape. Wide material adaptability: it can process a variety of metal materials such as low-carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and some non-metallic plates such as plastics and composite materials. Typical applications: construction industry, processing door and window profiles, quills, steel structure purlins, etc. Synergistic value with gantry milling: if you have gantry milling equipment at the same time, you can form a complete production line of molding or precision machining. The roll forming machine completes the initial shape processing of the workpiece, such as profile, contour molding. The gantry milling performs high precision milling on the formed workpiece, such as plane machining, hole machining, complex structure milling. To meet higher precision requirements, such as assembly interfaces, precision mounting surfaces, the combination of the two can cover the entire process from batch molding to precision machining and improve the one-stop production capacity of complex workpieces.